Okay, so looking at number 4, we're saying on June 30th, 2024, Countryside Farms purchased custom-made harvesting equipment from a local producer. In payment, Countryside signed a non-interest-bearing note requiring the payment of $90,000 in 2 years. The fair value of the equipment is not known, but a 7% interest rate properly reflects the time value of money for this type of loan agreement. At what amount will Countryside initially value the equipment? So let's write down some of our information and let's take a note of this. A non-interest bearing note with a face of $90,000. So that means the interest is going to be buried somewhere in this 90,000. And let's see, we had an interest rate of 7% and we had a time frame of 2 years. And our beginning date is going to be June 30th, 2024. Okay. So to dig out the interest from this face value 90,000 note, it would say present value of a single sum equals 90,000, um, and we would have a PV factor of n equals 2 and I equals 7. Okay, so let's get our present value of the note. It would be n equals 2, I equals 7, right here. 0.87344. Okay, and if we do that math, we get what? Oops. And 78,610. And this is what's called our carrying value, or the present value of the note. It's known by both of those things. And we need to also find the amount of the discount of the note, which would be 90,000, which is the face. You subtract 78,610. And let's see what that would give us. 11,390. And this is what we're going to call the discount. All right, so let's fill in some of the information that we have on our problem. We're going to present value the note. The note in the future is going to be worth 90,000. Currently, it's not worth 97,000, but it will be. And our present value is the same as our carrying value, 78,610. We also have to find our interest expense for December 31, 2024. So let's go ahead and make a little chart here. Let's see, like that. We're going to put our date right here. And we begin on June 30th, 6/30/24. Rate goes here. Uh, Discount goes here. And carrying value goes here. So go ahead and make our little boxes. So the next date is going to be 12/31/24, and it wants us to find this number here. So this is going to be null. The amount of our discount is going to be 11,390, and our carrying value is going to be 78,610. Okay. So now we take our carrying value and multiply it by our 7% rate right here. 78,610 times 7. And we get 5503. But this number is not exactly going to be correct because this is going to be an annual rate. So it begins on June 30th. So we're going to have to, and it ends on December 31. So we would have to take 5503 and multiply it by 1/2. And let's see what that would give us. 2752. And that would be your interest expense for the year of 12/31/24. And let's record that in our problem, 2752. Yeah, let's check our work. Okay, cool. Let's move on to number 5. Actually, let's start a new video.